What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Oh yeah, you just saw this in the last one. Don't worry, this is not what the video is about. A buddy of mine is actually driving up here, and we're gonna be, you know, cleaning the car, taking a couple pictures here and there, you know, the typical stuff that you do on a weekend, you know, on such a gorgeous sunny day out, which, yeah, joke, right? What we're gonna be doing today is changing out my fender well liner, because I've mentioned this in previous videos, but at one point I had the bumper off and I drove with the bumper off, and I forgot that I was driving with the bumper off, and you know, I put a little, not a little bit, actually a pretty decent size like wear mark, burn mark from the tire touching the liner, and I don't feel comfortable with it not being a complete piece, so that annoyed me. And yeah, so I went and ordered a whole new replacement piece for that, so hopefully that works out nicely. I'm sure you could probably see how there's just exposed in that area over there. It's not good. I know that right there it's also exposed, but it's not supposed to be up there, and there's like electrical right there, and I don't like it, so this needs to be changed. Car is jacked up. This is what we're working with, so you could see the extent of the damage here. It's real bad. It's gross. So we're gonna put the new fender wells on, but before that we're gonna try this out. These are 3mm spacers. I'm gonna put those on. I'm gonna test fit my S77 20x9. Oh my god, dude.
What?
Jesus Christ. That is a tight fit. Whew. Bro.
I've seen worse. Yeah. That's real tight.
I'm gonna try the 4mm. I think the 4mm works better.
4mm?
Yeah, look.
My face.
You don't care that your face is in it?
My face been on camera before.
So,
I've been on many of
man,
you.
it was just the side of your nose for a second. That was kind of crazy.
That's alright. I'm Jewish.
Oh, there it is. Look at that thing.
I'm Jewish.
Hold on. So, how many clips do you think we took out? A ton?
About
a metric dozen? About 160?
Yeah.
Okay. And then
Put this out this way. Oh no, we forgot one.
oh, forgot one. God damn it.
Okay.
Is that snaked in there? Oh, Poppy. Yo, look at that big piece of shit. Yo, this is supposed to be... Oh, so they're giving me this... I'm not even gonna bother changing this then. I'll just take... Oh, this broke off the other one then. This comes off.
No, that wasn't broke off. Who worked on your car?
Who do you think worked on my car? the lovely shop before. I guess. All right. So then we're gonna have to
They
put.
fucking cut it. That didn't break off. That's a clean cut, buddy. Not only that, they cut too far, and they cut into the other side.
Oh, hold on. Wait a minute.
They cut that shit out.
They cut. Oh, okay.
That's supposed to be with this.
The shop before me cut that right out of there. So then we're gonna have to take this off.
Yep.
Take these 4 bolts, put that mesh back in.
Yep.
All right. All right.
Your old.
Oh, look at you. Look at that. It's like things were just meant to be in here now. Look at this.
Now, I'm gonna make sure this goes.
You gotta make sure you can put it in the hole.
Yes.
This side's being a bitch?
Yeah.
Are you serious? What are we looking at? Yo, this looks nice, dude. This is how you can tell, Ben. This is how you can tell you really don't have a plan in life, and I don't. I didn't film until the wheels back on. Stupid. That's stupid, but this is what you get with my channel. Look at that darkness. Can you see the darkness? It's awesome. But everything is in, and we don't have a giant rip there anymore. Ripperoonie. Awesome. Oh, where's the other one? Should I show him how it's in the garbage?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show him how we trashed it. Should I show him this bagged Hellcat wannabe? So this is where the old bad boy is. Like you can tell, shot, trash, garbage, rip. Bagged.
I want to see what it's gonna look like.
What it could look like. Tuckaroonied. Well, that's it, guys. This is the last little piece of the puzzle that I have left. This is it. That's the last little thing. And you know what? I'm glad this is done. I've been slacking on so many projects, but now that the car's actually running, I can start getting things done. I can start pumping out videos. So this is, like I said, I messed up, and I already put the tire back on, and I'm lazy. So as you can see, everything's brand new. This wasn't one of those mods where it's like, oh, I'm gonna record everything, because, well, all it is clips. There's a lot of clips. There's clips all over the damn place. Basically, for any of you that have never done something like this before, this is all you're really looking at. This is the inside of the fender well. This would be the front, and this would be the back. So we've got clips on the top holding everything in. There's clips that you've normally seen. This is, hold on. This would be the front, so you would have normally, say you're accessing the front panels for whatever reason, you know, you got the normal clippage right there. This is where we went through. Awesome. Clips. Now, you got this bottom piece, which would have been attached, by the way, but wasn't. So this was somehow cut off, but this would have been attached, and then there's the mesh grilling and stuff. But this, apparently from the last shop I was at, my friend actually pointed this out. You see how it goes like that? Somebody actually cut that off. I can't imagine why, what reason, to destroy my fender liner, but whatever. So that was like that, and then there's clips here, here, you know, there's a ton. So if you just look for the clips, it's very simple. Basically, you're just jacking the car up, make sure you're safe. I had the jack and I had a jack stand, but I had both there. Just be safe. Pull this up. Again, I don't know how many of you are actually gonna need to swap your fender liner unless you're an idiot like me. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are already a subscriber, I appreciate you. Please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, forward the video to a couple friends. I know videos like this don't get many views because it's kind of not something you want to bother watching, but maybe it is. I don't know. But either way, I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good day.